there. I'm Callie with Callie Collective, and I'm here with your advisor marketing tip of the day. So what we've seen a lot is advisors have a website and they've spent that initial cost on their website. But then in their mind, they think that it's just one and done and they don't need to spend any more on their websites. The problem with this is that you need to have a website that is updated with content to keep it fresh and relevant, but you also need to be updating it so it stays up to date with the trends. So when I say that, I mean like a new phone comes out or a new app used, and your website needs to be able to show up on that phone or website properly. I mean, I'm sure you can think of a website you've been to that is not mobile friendly, and chances are you don't stay on that website for very long. So roughly what I say is that you should have a website budget to be updating your website at least every 2 years, because within 2 years, the way your website looks is going to be stale and out of date. And I'm not talking about the content. Content can relatively stay the same with new updates to your blog, but your business model is probably not going to be changing hugely in the next 2 years. But what will be is the way your website is responding on the internet, on internet browsers, on phones, and how your clients and prospects are interacting with it. So that is something to keep in mind. So now you have the question, well, how much should I be setting aside to be updating my website? And lucky for you, I have a PDF document with what I recommend advisors should set aside. So you can go onto my website, or you can go to the FBA Coaches Corner and look for this guy. It's called Website Budgeting. And on here, I've got what you should set aside for every 2 years, what you should set aside for updating content, and then having a big renovation around every 5 years. I also recommend that you go through and you evaluate what you've been spending, what you want to be spending, and just kind of adjust to your needs, because in marketing, it's different for every business. So go ahead and download this. Again, at my website or at the FBA Coaches Corner, which will show up at the bottom of the screen after I edit this video. And until next time.